What if business partners cannot agree on a business succession plan? My name is Sam Bryant, and I'm an attorney that helps build and protect Florida businesses. If partners cannot agree on a business succession plan, I do have two suggestions. Before I begin into the suggestions, and just real fast, a business succession plan it's a written plan on how the business is going to transition from one owner to the next owner, or in the case of multiple owners, what happens with one partner's equity if they end up leaving the business, and that could be from retirement, it could be from um, death or incapacity. So if business partners cannot agree on a business succession plan, my first suggestion is that get the partners to agree to, as a compromise, to deal with their own equity separately. So, for example, if you have partner A and partner B have a business, they do agree that they want some sort of succession plan, but they can't agree on the mechanics of it. This option allows them to set up their succession plan, but set it up in two parts. One part for partner A has complete control over what happens with their equity, and then the second part with partner B, how partner B deals with their equity. So the pros to this approach is that you do get a resolution and that you do get control over your own individual equity, but of course it could cause complications with the new owners if you're not anticipating what the dynamic will be, where you don't have control over your partner's equity going forward, especially if your partner A you want to remain in the business, and then partner B leaves the business, then now you're dealing with a new owner that you may or may not get along with. So that's the first option. The second option is what I call the nuclear option. With this option, the partners agree that if either one of them, so if you have two partners, partner A and partner B, if either partner A or partner B leaves the business by becoming incapacitated or retires or wants to be bought out, you agree that the business will dissolve. You're going to essentially shut down the business. This option will just control the idea that the business is only a business when you have the original partners. And so if any of those partners are gone, then there's no point in having the business. What it also does is if you choose to elect this option, you may be more motivated to work something out sometime down the road, because if you are in your business and you want to continue it long term, but you know your partner may want to leave shortly, you don't want to stop the business, so you may be incentivized to really come together with your partner and make sure that you have something more in place and more aligned with what you both really want to do going forward. So, in a nutshell, that's what you should do. Those two suggestions I think are really helpful, and it really just gets the job done, which is mainly to get something in place for the business. So if you have any questions about either of these methods or about succession plans in general, please feel free to reach out to me. I'm very available and I'm always willing to help. Hope you have a great one.